Over the past few days, I stopped paying subscription fees for AI tools completely because right now there are platforms that give you results equal to or better than premium tools for free. I have not spent a single penny for the high quality cinematic videos and realistic images you see on the screen right now. Welcome to the SaaS Pro channel. You can access GPT-4, Flux, and various premium video generation AI models completely free for your regular projects using the LMArena platform. Let's go to the browser and see the first step directly on the screen. First, open the Chrome browser on your computer and type LMArena.ai in the address bar and press enter. After the main page loads, click directly on the login button located at the top right corner. Creating an account here is very easy. There is no complex process. After clicking the login button, a pop-up menu will appear in front of you where you will see a few options. Among them, the easiest and fastest way is logging in with a Google account. So click on the Continue with Google option from here and select your regular work Gmail account. After completing the login process, you will come directly to the main dashboard of LMArena. The interface is very clean. From the leaderboard on the left, you will see which AI model is currently at the top of the ranking. We will directly click the New Chat option from the left menu to start our project. After clicking New Chat, we will see 3 different modes at the top of the screen. We will select the Battle option first. The real fun of this battle mode is that you can place the results of 2 different AI models side by side using the same prompt. Turn on the Generate Image toggle button at the bottom to start this. After turning the toggle on, a prompt writing box will appear below. I am typing my first prompt here. I am writing, a cyberpunk-style street food vendor cooking noodles in neon light. After you finish writing your prompt, click the send icon located at the bottom right. Since you are trying to generate an image on this platform for the first time, a terms and conditions pop-up window will appear on the screen. There is nothing to fear about this. Just click the I agree button at the bottom and the processing will start. Now look at your screen. 2 separate and unknown AI models are working on the prompt we gave. After generating the 2 images, I personally think the image on the right is much sharper and more colorful. So I am clicking the B is better button at the bottom to submit my feedback. You will see magic on the screen as soon as you cast your vote. The names of the 2 models that were hidden until now will be revealed. As you can see, the image on the right was created with Nano Banana 2 and the left image with Flux. Just click this download icon on the top right of the image if you want to save it to your PC. The AI models appear randomly in battle mode, meaning you do not know which one is working. But if you want to compare 2 specific models directly, go to New Chat from the left again and select the side-by-side option in the middle. The interface for this side-by-side mode is a little different. There is an option to select models here. I am clicking the left drop-down menu and selecting the Nano Banana model. And I am selecting Flux Pro from the right drop-down menu. You can choose any 2 models of your choice here if you want. After selecting the models, I am writing in the prompt box, a robotic dog playing with a small ball on the red soil of Mars. Press enter after you finish writing. After getting the result, I think the Flux Pro result is much more detailed and realistic than Nano Banana. So I am selecting B's better option. Besides battle and side-by-side modes, my most used and practical feature is direct chat. Because only in this mode can we create images using our own character references. Click the direct chat option from the left panel and make sure the generate image option is turned on at the bottom. First, you must select a specific model to work in this mode. I am selecting Nano Banana from the drop-down menu. Now click the plus icon located at the far left of the prompt box. Select a photo of a human from your computer where their face is very clearly visible. After uploading your reference image, click the prompt box and write, "This human is standing on the surface of the moon wearing a modern astronaut suit. The view of Earth is visible in the background from afar." After writing this detailed prompt, click the send button directly and wait a few seconds until the image generates. The result is truly amazing. Sometimes the background might be slightly off, but it is really an effective method to maintain character consistency. Now we will work with multiple human references, which does not work with a regular prompt. So first, turn off Generate Image and select Gemini 2.5 Pro as the model. After selecting Gemini, click the plus icon and upload a reference image downloaded from the internet. After uploading the image, I am giving Gemini the prompt, "Keep the pose, lighting, and background of this image exactly the same and create a detailed prompt template. Do not mention any physical descriptions of the characters in your prompt." Then click the send icon. See how accurately Gemini created a structured prompt. This prompt keeps separate spaces for character 1 and character 2 and gives a very beautiful description of the background. Now select this entire generated text with your mouse and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. We will go back to image generation again after the prompt is ready. Turn on the Generate Image option below and select the Nano Banana model from the drop-down. Now click the plus icon and upload the image of your first character. Then click the plus icon again and upload the image of your second character. After uploading the images, click the prompt box and paste that copied template by pressing Ctrl+V. You can edit the first line of the text a little and customize it your way so the AI model understands it well. Just click the send button if everything looks fine. We saw how to generate premium images so far. This is basically how I generate premium AI assets without a subscription. Drop a like if the tutorial is helpful and stay with us by subscribing to SaaS Beast Pro.